Up guys, good day everyone. Welcome to my channel. It's me, Evelia Sadulio, a teacher whose passion is to do video tutorial. And today I will be teaching you how to make a cover page using Microsoft Word. So this is very important if you have, for example, a report or a project in school. You can use this one. You can use this technique in making a cover page. So I have already opened the Microsoft Word. So first thing to do is to set the layout. You can change the size of the band paper. You can have, I choose letter. You can also set the orientation. You have the portrait. You can have the landscape. You can also set the margin. So you can customize the margin if you do not want those earlier set, and then you can just move up and down these arrows to change the margin, and then if you are set you can just click OK, and then you can choose the font style that you're going to use. So we have here different font style to use. You can just drag this one down. So there are different font style that I will be using Mahandra, and you can also set the size. You can click this one, or you can click this one if you want to increase, or you can click this one if you want to decrease. Okay, then you set the cursor at the center, then you can start writing. Okay, I will be using the name of our school to make the letterhead. You can just have your own. Okay, if you want not bolder, this one, not a bold one, you can just set that and click B. Okay, then you can click and enter. So here you can now add the title of your project, the title of your report, whatsoever. So if you want to have some design, so we will be using the insert word art. So there you have different style. You can change later if you think it's not good to look at. You can have this one, for example. Okay. You can also change the font style if you want. Just click this one, double click, and then you can already start typing. Okay, let us see. Narrative report. Narrative report in something, just like that. You want in science, for example. And it's IP. And then make this small letter. Then to make this or to set this at the center, just click and drag. Just like that. Click and drag. You can resize this one by moving like this. Or like that. Okay. Then you can make this bolder. So click and increase the size, or you can make this, it's already bold actually. You can change, let us say you do not want the font style, you can change the font style again. So let us see the bigger size font so that it will be attractive. You can also have that one. This. I have this one. There are so many font style that we can use actually. You can just select the best one that you want. Let's have that one, for example. So you can also change the color. Let us see, you want to change the color of that to let us see, blue, darker blue. So if you do not like this color, you can choose more colors and choose the one which you think is the best for you, then you set. Okay, there you are. You can again change that to red if you want. So let us see, we want it red. Okay, that's it. Depends on you. Okay, that's it. Then next is we want to write your name below, submitted by. But you can also use the insert word art. So I just write submitted by, and then I will also use insert word art in writing, for example, my name. Okay, here this time I will be using another font style. That's it. Not good yellow. You can have black. This one black. So double click again. Set my name. Write my name. Okay, then I will make this smaller in size. Scroll downward. Okay. Then change also the font style, and you can change the size. So I will be using a different font style here. It's this one, but you can change this the size. It's very large or big. So just set that. Then drag. Okay, you can also change the color if you want to. And you can write here below your description of yourself here. Description. If you are a student, for example, you can just sit there. Okay. Then scroll down. This time you can write the name of your teacher, for example, submitted to. Then you also insert word art and have the black one, different style. Again, you can type the name of your teacher, for example. That's it. If you want to change also the font style, just highlight, then click home, then choose again the font style that you want. It's up to you, whatever font style you want to use. You think it's best for you, then go for it. And then if you don't like, you can change easily. It's just easy for us to change the font style. And also I will change the size. It's very large, big enough. You can have your own design. So that's mine. So I think you can make better one. And then if you want to add some picture, for example, you want to add pictures, you just add click, insert, and choose the picture that you want. So let us see, we'll be using what picture. Of course, that will be relevant to your report. Let us say this one. This is the theme of our SIP. I can use this one. click the picture and then insert, and there you have it. So since it is in the second page, what you will do is just right click and you set this one wrap text, and you have to click through or behind text or in front of the text. So you let us have behind of the text so that it can be shown in your cover page, and your text are still visible. So here, and you can just move that downward. You want it whole page as this one, or you can just set that at the center if you want. You just resize. Just click and resize. Let's say you want it there. Okay, to view, you can set this one in a smaller size. Then click and drag. Let's say you want it there in the center, or you can have it in the narrative part. So it's not good to look at. You can make it downward. And then you can also change the color, and you can have some artistic effects here, or you can set some style here. You can have here some style. There you can make any style that you want of your picture. So I want that one. And then I want to have some artistic effects. You can have there some artistic effects. You can set that one. It's up to you. Also some color corrections. You can make the color lighter so that your text will be visible. You can have that one. Okay, then as you can see, your name is not that visible. You can just again change the font color. Okay, just increase the size. You can change this to something that is visible. You can change one. Not yet visible. I think it's better to use that one. The bolder area. Okay, then there you have it. So it's up to you again what style you want. And then you can add this time the border. So you can have your border from Microsoft Word or from this one by just inserting insert, then to actually insert this sign. Then you can have the page border. You can also set some color. Okay, let us start with the page border here. So box, you can have 3D or whatever you want. Then you can choose the art here, different designs, board art. You can also use outside border. So I will also show that to you later. So let us see, we want, I usually use this one, I like this much. Okay, you can set the color and to, let us use blue, and I will make it very bolder, also large in size. So let us have it 20 or 15, I think. So let's have 15. Let's see. Okay, there you have it. So you already have the borderline using the page border here. And then if you are set that you think that's best for you, then you can start printing that. Just click file and print. Then you can have that one as your page cover. But then if you do not want for example, to use the cover page, not the cover page, not the page border, and you wanted to have a different design which are not in the Microsoft Word, so you can just remove that one there, none. Okay. And then we will be using a different borderline. So I will be using some pictures. I have here some downloaded borders. I have some border art. So you can also use this one. So you just choose, or you can use your internet in selecting the best border art that you want. So it will be look nicer for you. So I have here. So I want it more colorful. I do not have here the other one. I think I deleted my favorite border art. So I will be using na lang this one, which is different color here. And the same as what we did, we have to right click and go to wrap text and behind text. Okay. Just click it there. So the pictures are gone. I'll do this one here. It's not working. Oh my G. It's not working. So our picture is gone. So again, set this one again. And bring this one. Okay. Go back to our. Okay, just move it until you cover all the page. Just click and drag. The technique is just click and drag. Okay, there you have it. Okay, we are set. Okay, there you are, my dear viewers. We are done. So the next thing to do, of course, is to save your project. You can have save as, browse, then save. Okay, you can rename. You can have cover page, and then you are now ready to print your project. So file, then print, and then there is your cover page, and you are done. Okay, thank you very much for watching, my dear viewers. Don't forget to subscribe at the bottom of this video. You can also like, and do not forget to view more some of my videos. You can have different videos, some different tutorials with regards to using Microsoft Word, Microsoft Publisher, and some other software. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.